Hardworking spider.
It's hard work building a web. That's why you must never ever break one. If you do, the spider has to do all the work again.
Wow! He's very busy.
Yes.
Oh no, the spider made a home on Pinky's car.
It's hard work building a web.
You said you must never ever break a web. If you move the car, you will break the web.
Oh, I see.
Wow, the spider's house is so gorgeous. Please love the little animals. The little animals are also very hardworking. Just like our spiders also work hard to make their nests to catch mosquitoes. This is a cartoon that teaches children how to live. Please click the subscribe button and turn on notifications to see new and good videos.
Mom's special gift.
Hey! Come play with me. No!
Here is a gift for you.
The box is so beautiful.
This is a little gift for you.
I think so. Here. I can't stop laughing. No! Just help me!
Oh my god.
Hey, what happened? It looks very lovely.
The Pinky brothers have a very rich imagination. Everyone, please love animals like the Pinky family.